Guys, and welcome here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this delicious egusi soup. This is one of my go-to recipe when it comes to egusi soup. I have different egusi soup recipe in case you don't know. So let's get cooking. So the first thing, I've already cooked my protein, the protein I'm using. Okay, so on a saucepan, add oil. Allow the oil to heat up. Then I'm going to go in with onion, stir the onion and season the onion with crayfish and pepper. You can use fresh or dry pepper. I use dry pepper here. I didn't show when I was adding it. So allow the onion to cook for 2 to 3 minutes before going in with the egusi. So I love to soak the egusi in the water. I added too much water on this one to be to be honest. So I'm going to cover the egusi and allow that to cook up for about 2 minutes. Come back, stir egusi in the middle, only in the middle, guys. Then I'm going to allow the egusi to keep cooking. When you're coming back, stir the egusi only in the middle. I'm going to do this for 5 minutes. So while I'm doing it, I'm going to be adding my smoked catfish. I love to wash catfish. I love to remove the bones because my kids love egusi soup. So I added another crayfish to season it while they are cooking. So stay in the middle and allow to cook until it's 5 minutes. And make sure you're making this on a low heat. Okay. So this is the final step. I'm going to stir everything together right now. Did you see that the egusi did not burn? No, it didn't because I was making this on a low heat. So don't use high heat when you're making this recipe. Okay, so after stirring them, I'm going to be adding the stock I got from the meat. Either you filter them or you add everything together. It's your choice, but there is bell pepper inside the broth. So I had to add everything inside. So go ahead and stir, season with your seasoning cube, salt, correct the pepper and all of that. Put the lid on and bring the egusi to boil. So the soup has been cooking for more than 5 minutes. So I've opened the lid and I added my onubu, which is bitter leaf. I love bitter leaf in egusi soup. You can skip this. I also don't. I have recipes where I don't add, but my favorite egusi is egusi that include bitter leaf. Then I added my grilled meat. Yes, I love to grill meat. The meat I use for egusi soup, I love to grill them first before adding them into egusi soup. So at this point, you can go ahead and add any protein of your choice. After adding that, I stir and allow them to cook for like 3 minutes before coming in with my fresh stockfish that I parboiled and fried. I don't care if the soup went their separate ways into the soup because I love to debone. I love everything to be clean because my kids love it. So here lastly, I added my fresh shrimps, which is optional, another crayfish. Taste the salt and peppers if they are okay for you. The seasoning, you can go ahead and add more seasoning cube, more seasoning inside here until they are to your taste. So when you will know that your egusi is cooked is when the oil started flowing. So as you can see, the oil is already on top of the egusi. This is why I'm adding my spinach at this point. After adding the spinach, I'm going to stir everything together. Turn off the heat because the heat on the soup is already enough to cook the egusi soup. So this egusi soup is cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on how you want your egusi to cook, but this is the final result and it was so delicious. My kids enjoy it. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.